For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
When Yuvraj Singh announced his retirement last year, it broke the heart of cricket fans across the country. In a career spanning around 2 decades, Yuvraj gave India some of the most glorious moments in Indian cricket history. The hard-hitting left-hander was one of the major reasons why India lifted the T20 World Cup in 2007 and 50 Overs World Cup in 2011. When Yuvraj hung up his boots last year, fans were shocked to say the least. Yuvi made the announcement of his retirement at a time when Team India was playing the World Cup in England. So, what led to Yuvraj Singh's sudden retirement from the Indian team? Well, now the legend has himself revealed why he decided to call quits to his Indian career. When you are at a fast pace in life, you don't realize a lot of things, and suddenly you're like, what has happened here? And I am sitting here at home for 2-3 months. Obviously, for different reasons. I've got to a stage when cricket was not helping me mentally. I always wanted to play cricket, but it was not helping me in a good state of mind. I was dragging myself and thinking, when do I have to retire? Should I retire? Should I not retire? Should I play for another season? Yuvraj played some of the most memorable innings for the Indian team. Be it the unforgettable innings at Lord's in 2002 or that thunderous 6 sixes in an over at Durban. Yuvi's career is full of match-winning innings. Yuvraj says that he misses the game sometimes, and it was an emotional day when he decided to walk away from Indian cricket. I miss the game sometimes, but more often I do not miss it because I have played for so many years. I get so many messages from fans, so much love that I feel really blessed. More than anything, the respect the game has given you, and if you are happy with that respect you have earned for the last 20 years, I think it's the right time to move on. So, I think the day I retired, I was free. It was a very emotional moment. I can't put that in word, but certainly I feel free after that. Mentally very happy. I hadn't slept since many years and I tried to sleep really well. Yuvraj is arguably one of the biggest match winners India has produced in limited overs cricket. He ended his career with an outstanding ODI record of 8,701 runs at an average of 36.55 and 111 wickets. Post-retirement, Yuvraj has often blamed selectors for not treating him well. Yuvraj will go down in history as one of the best cricketers India has ever produced, particularly in white ball cricket.